Gentlemen, let's begin with a question that's deeply private yet incredibly important for your quality of life. I'm going to ask you to answer honestly, just to yourself, no judgment here in this confidential space. When was the last time that simple act of self-pleasure, the one thing we've all done since we were teenagers, felt truly effortless, electric, and intensely satisfying? When did it last feel like the earth moved, instead of just a quiet, required release? For many men, that feeling, that pure, vibrant connection between brain, body, and sensation, seems to have faded somewhere around age 40 or 50. You might be nodding your head right now. You still get the job done, but the experience is duller. The firmness you remember is softer, the sensitivity is muted, and the actual rush of the climax feels more like a gentle wave than a powerful surge. It's flat, mechanical, predictable. And what do we do when this happens? We chalk it up to age. We say, well, I'm 55 now, that's just how it goes. Or maybe we start looking for a pill or a gimmick, a quick external fix for a problem that feels internal and deeply personal. But what if I told you that this loss of vitality, this dulling of sensation, and this reduction in power is not inevitable? What if I told you that the key to reviving the passion, the fullness, and the intensity you remember from your 20s isn't found in a laboratory, but right there in your kitchen? The truth is, your body, especially your intimate health, is like a high-performance engine. And right now, you might be fueling it with low-grade, sludge-filled gas, but with the right high-octane fuel, you can clean the lines, tune the engine, and absolutely restore that feeling of effortless, powerful performance. In today's deep-dive conversation, I'm going to reveal one specific food you should be eating right before masturbation or intimacy that can dramatically enhance blood flow and sensation. And then I'll share a complete menu of 4 other powerhouse foods that work synergistically to restore your hormones, nerves, and pleasure chemistry. Stay with me until the very end, because the last food I share is one you've likely enjoyed for years, but never understood its incredible power to sharpen your brain's pleasure signals, making the climax itself feel richer and more intense than you thought possible. But first, let's make a commitment to your health. If you are ready to stop guessing and start fueling your body with the tools it needs to thrive, please do me and yourself a favor. Hit that like button now, and tell me in the comments a quick, honest word. What is the biggest health myth you've believed about agging? Your engagement helps us reach more men who deserve to feel vital. Now let's get into the core issue. Let's dismantle the biggest myth that holds men hostage, the myth that age causes the decline. Age is merely the passage of time. What actually causes the decline is the cumulative effect of metabolic damage that happens over those years. And the food we eat is the primary catalyst for that damage, or, conversely, the most potent source of its repair. Think about what a strong, satisfying erection actually is from a purely biological standpoint. It's not magic. It's a beautifully orchestrated symphony involving 3 crucial systems, and food affects all 3. The plumbing, vascular system. An erection is 90% hydraulics. Blood must rush in quickly, fill the penile chambers, the corpora cavernosa, and then stay trapped there under pressure. If your arteries are stiff, clogged with plaque atherosclerosis, or your blood vessels are simply too tight, the blood flow is sluggish. It's like trying to fill a balloon using a garden hose that's been choked off with knots. A soft erection is a plumbing problem. The wiring, nervous system. Your brain and spinal cord have to send crisp, clear signals to the penis to tell those blood vessels to open up wide. If your nerves are damaged by high blood sugar, diabetes, inflammation, or lack of proper nutrients, those signals get weak and fuzzy. This is why you feel a dulling of sensation. Reduced sensation is an electrical problem. The engine, hormonal and chemical system. For desire and the intensity of the experience, you need strong, balanced levels of testosterone for drive, and a clean release of nitric oxide, NO, and dopamine for pleasure. Poor diet suffocates testosterone production and consumes NO, leaving the experience feeling flat. A weak climax is a chemical problem. The foods we're about to discuss don't work like a pill that bypasses the problem. They work by providing the raw materials, the nitrates, the zinc, the omega-3s that your body uses to repair the plumbing, strengthen the wiring, and recharge the engine naturally. This is why some men in their late 60s who prioritize their nutrition feel more robust, more energized, and more responsive than men half their age. Their arteries are clean, their nerves are sharp, and their hormones are supported. When you choose the right fuel, your body rewards you with the effortless, powerful vitality you thought you left behind decades ago. Hello again. I'm Dr. Jodie Whittaker, and I've dedicated the last 12 years of my life as a urologist helping men over 50 protect, repair, and reclaim their intimate health. In my clinic, I've seen countless men who felt ashamed, defeated, and resigned to this loss of vitality. And in nearly every case, the solution started not with a dramatic surgery or an expensive treatment, but with a humble, non-judgmental conversation about their daily habits and their dinner plate. My philosophy is simple: listen to the body first. Your intimate function is a window into your cardiovascular health. A soft erection isn't just a sexual problem, it's your body giving you an early warning about heart health. By improving the fuel, we support the whole system, not just the symptom. My goal today is to empower you with simple, accessible, and scientifically proven food choices. I want to shift your perspective from feeling like a victim of age to feeling like the master of your fuel. Are you ready to stock your private performance pantry? Let's dive into the 6 most powerful foods that can make masturbation and intimacy feel like the electric, vibrant experience you remember from your 20s. Power Food 1: Beets, the nitrate power surge. You might use a nitrate tablet for a headache, but what if the most powerful natural nitrate booster comes in a surprisingly simple purple root vegetable that can flood your penile arteries with blood on demand? Biologically, the nitric oxide conversion. Beets are the undisputed champions of natural circulation boosting. They are exceptionally rich in dietary nitrates. When you consume nitrates, your body converts them into nitrites, and then finally into nitric oxide, the vascular signal. Nitric oxide is the single most critical molecule for achieving and maintaining an erection. It is a powerful vasodilator, a chemical messenger that signals the smooth muscle lining of your arteries to relax, open wide, and allow a massive surge of blood to rush into the penis. This process, essential for firmness, is what pills like Viagra assist with. Beets provide your body with the raw material to make its own natural No. The stamina factor. No also improves oxygen efficiency across all muscle groups. This is why Olympic athletes drink beet juice before a race. For intimate health, this means your body requires less effort and tires less quickly, contributing to better erectile fatigue resistance, that ability to stay firm even during sustained activity. Emotionally, the feeling of effortlessness. The emotional benefit of beets is the return of effortlessness. When your natural No levels are high, your body responds quicker, firmer, and more reliably. This eliminates the performance anxiety loop, where you worry if you'll get or stay firm, which only makes the problem worse. When you feel your body responding powerfully and easily, confidence soars. Practically, the consistent habit. The daily dose. Consistency is key. You can't eat a beet once and expect a miracle. Aim for 1 serving daily, preferably 2 to 3 hours before the desired effect. The accessibility. Beets are versatile. You can drink a small shot of beetroot juice, the most potent form, roast them into salads, or stir a teaspoon of beet powder into your morning smoothie. The taste can be earthy, so mixing it with apple or carrot juice is a great trick. Power Food 2: Dark chocolate, the dopamine and flow fix. Can a piece of luxurious, deep dark chocolate actually increase your pleasure chemicals and make the climax feel more intense, turning a simple treat into a tool for euphoria? Biologically, flavonoids and neurochemistry. This is the treat that works on 2 levels: the plumbing, circulation, and the wiring, brain chemistry. The circulation, smoother, real dark chocolate, 70% cocoa content or higher, is loaded with powerful antioxidants called flavonoids. These compounds are scientifically proven to help reduce inflammation in the blood vessel walls and enhance the production of nitric oxide. They keep your arteries supple, flexible, and responsive, like regularly oiling your engine. The pleasure booster. Cocoa contains natural compounds that stimulate the release of dopamine and phenylethylamine, P, in the brain. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter responsible for motivation, reward, and pleasure. When it surges, the feeling of arousal is sharper, and the actual experience of climax is dramatically enhanced. It feels fuller, richer, and more satisfying, like a total mind-body reward rather than a quick, functional release. Emotionally, the antidote to stress. The emotional reward is the return of richness and enjoyment. Dark chocolate has also been shown to subtly lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Stress is a massive constrictor of blood flow. By tasting a small,